Why choose plant-based breakfasts?
Plant-based breakfasts are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. They support heart health, digestion, and sustainable energy without heavy animal fats. Whether you're fully vegetarian or just want a lighter start, these meals can help you feel full, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Plus, they're easy to prepare and endlessly customizable.
Overnight oats, simple and satisfying.
Overnight oats are a time-saving favorite. Just combine rolled oats with plant-based milk and your choice of toppings. Think berries, banana slices, chia seeds, or nut butter. Let them soak overnight, and you'll wake up to a nutritious, delicious breakfast that provides lasting energy and is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
Smoothie bowls, a colorful start.
Smoothie bowls are quick to prepare and full of vibrant fruits and veggies. Blend spinach, frozen berries, banana, and plant-based milk, then pour into a bowl. Add toppings like granola, sliced fruit, seeds, or coconut flakes for extra crunch and nutrition. These bowls are hydrating, energizing, and packed with antioxidants.
Avocado toast, versatile and wholesome.
Avocado toast is a classic plant-based breakfast that's both filling and flavorful. Simply mash ripe avocado onto whole grain bread and add toppings such as sliced tomatoes, radishes, hemp seeds, or a sprinkle of chili flakes. This meal provides healthy fats, fiber, and protein to fuel your morning activities.
Plant-based pancakes, a comforting choice.
Just what's possible. Make plant-based pancakes can be made using whole wheat flour, oats, or even mashed bananas. Use plant-based milk and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. Pancakes like these offer a comforting start while keeping your breakfast balanced and wholesome.
Tips for a balanced plant-based breakfast.
For lasting energy, aim to include complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, and healthy fats in your breakfast. Rotate your ingredients to get a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Preparing meals in advance or keeping easy staples on hand can help you stick to healthy, satisfying habits and start your day strong.